In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Lemlist Inbox to reply. So first log into your Lemlist account, then inside your main dashboard, look at the left panel and here you'll see your inbox. So click on it. Now here inside the inbox, you'll see messages from your leads organized into threads similar to an email inbox. So in here, just click on any conversation to open the full message history. And to reply, simply click on the text box and type your response at the bottom corner of your screen. And here there are tools that you can use in composing your message. And before sending, you can also review the lead's details by clicking on their email at the top. And here in the side panel, you can see their campaign, past interactions, and notes, so your reply stays relevant. Once you're done in composing your message, simply click on send, and your message will be delivered directly to the lead. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!